How to create a link in your menu in Wix Studio. So in order to create a link onto your menu, first things first, we need to head over right here into our menu first in order to edit it. Click onto your menu, and then from in there, click onto this Manage menu. Now, it should be able to open right here this. Click onto this Add Item, and then in here, choose in here the link. Now, it should be able to open this. So we can just input right here a web address. Like for example, let's input right here web address of youtube.com, and then it will open into a new window, or you can also choose current window. So the web address or URL is totally up to you, and this is just an example. After that, click on done, and then from in there, it should be able to be loaded and added right here. So you can rename this link. So for example, let's rename this YouTube. And then from in there, it should be able to be loaded. And you can see right now into our actual link or into our actual menu, we have now this YouTube for our navigation menu. So that's how you create a link in your menu in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.